Nigerian coconut rice is a delicious dish that many people love. It combines rice with coconut milk, which gives it a creamy texture and a sweet flavor. So to make it, you start by cooking the rice in a mix of coconut milk and water. This helps the rice absorb all the tasty flavor. Many recipes add spices and vegetables like onions, bell peppers, carrots to make it even better. Some people like to add shrimp or chicken for extra protein. The dish is colorful and smells amazing while it's cooking. Nigerian coconut rice is often served at special events like weddings and birthdays. It's a favorite for family gatherings too. People enjoy it with plantains or salads on the side. The combination of sweet and savory flavors makes it a unique meal. Making coconut rice is pretty easy and fun. You can cook it with your family, share it with your friends. It's a great way to explore Nigerian cuisine and try something new. So next time you want to cook something different, give Nigerian coconut rice a try. You might find that it becomes one of your favorite dishes.